Lesson 4, Common Verbs and Everyday Expressions. Common Verbs. We will now learn about some common verbs in the English language and their basic uses. Here is a list of some verbs with examples of how to use them.
Common verbs and everyday expressions. To eat. I eat breakfast every morning. To drink. She drinks water before going to bed. To sleep. They sleep early on weekends. To work. He works in an office. To study. We study English every day.
Everyday expressions. Learning some everyday expressions will help you communicate better in everyday situations. Here are some expressions with examples of their use.
Everyday expressions. Excuse me. Excuse me, can you help me? Thank you. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. A. Thank you. B. You're welcome. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being late. Good luck. Good luck on your exam.
A task. Try using each expression in a simple sentence to apply to everyday situations. Make a list of everyday things you do and use common verbs to describe them. Note: practicing using common verbs and everyday expressions will make you able to communicate confidently in everyday life.